Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. In this video, we're going to show you 10 tips and tricks to clean your appliances. It may seem like a pain, but keeping a regular schedule for cleaning your appliances will make those time-consuming deep cleans less necessary. Plus, they'll help extend the life of your appliances by getting rid of gunk. You'll also be preventing rust and corrosion by keeping them clean. Don't spray cleaner on the appliance directly. If you do, you'll risk moisture reaching the appliance's electrical components and shorting them out. Instead, spray the cleaner onto a cleaning cloth or paper towel and then wipe the surfaces down. When you're cleaning stainless steel, wipe in the direction of the grain. Don't wipe in a circular motion. By following the grain, you'll avoid leaving behind streaks when you're wiping off all those inevitable fingerprints and water stains. Baking soda and vinegar combined will only work in certain situations. Together, they aren't an all-purpose cleaner, they're actually closer to plain water. Baking soda and vinegar foam up when combined, and that foaming action can do some good, but once the foam is done, you're basically left with salty water. Use baking soda and vinegar together to break up caked-on debris, preferably when you can apply them both directly to the thing you're trying to clean. For example, to dislodge gunk in your garbage disposal. Depending upon what you're trying to clean, you're likely to have better luck using water mixed with either vinegar or baking soda, not both, or a specialty cleaner made specifically for cleaning appliances and kitchens. If your microwave's interior is really dirty, you can do some prep work so it's easier to wipe it all down. Pour some white vinegar into a microwave-safe cup or bowl, then microwave it for around 4 minutes. Once it's done, take the cup out and set it aside. But be careful, it'll be hot. The steam created by the vinegar as it heats up will loosen any grime on the inside, making it much easier to clean everything with a damp sponge or cloth. If your gas range's grates are really dirty, you can get them looking brand new in an afternoon with almost no work. To do this, you just need some ammonia cleaner and gallon freezer bags. Make sure to wear chemical-resistant gloves when handling ammonia, work in a well-ventilated area, and never ever mix it with bleach. Put each grate in a freezer bag with 3 tablespoons of ammonia. Seal the bags to keep the fumes contained and set them aside in a tub or sink. Make sure they're well out of reach of children and pets. After 5 hours, remove the grates and rinse them off. Depending upon how dirty they are, you may need to let them sit overnight. At most, you may need to do a bit of light scrubbing with soapy water, but they'll look brand new again. Thoroughly rinse the grates and make sure no ammonia residue is left behind, and let them dry completely before using them again. Cleaning up spills and splatters on your range quickly as you cook will reduce the risk that they'll be baked onto your cooktop. Baked-on stains don't just make for bad smells as your stove heats up, they can also damage your range components, causing rust on metal parts and cracks in glass surfaces. So don't let those messes sit around for longer than they need to. Prepare for spills in the oven by putting a baking sheet, not foil, down on a lower rack in your oven when you're roasting or baking something that might spill over. The baking sheet will catch overflow, and it's way easier to clean than the oven itself. Use glass stovetop cleaner to get a dirty glass oven door really clean. If your oven's glass door is dirty on the inside, even after other cleaning attempts, try this. When the glass is completely cool, apply a thin layer of glass stovetop cleaner to the interior door glass. Glass stovetop cleaner is made for glass cooktops, so you may have some already. Allow the cleaner to dry completely. You'll be able to scrape the leftover film off with a straight edge razor blade and take off all those stuck-on stains with it. Don't forget to clean your range control knobs. Removing your range's control knobs is as easy as gently pulling them away from the control panel. Go ahead and pull those knobs off your stove and see just how much gunk is built up back there. As you can see, it only takes a small amount of time and effort to get and keep your appliances clean. As always, if you have any questions, we're always happy to help at AppliancePartsPros.com.